Hello, today is the 5th of January 2013 and a very happy new year to you all. The time in London is 48 minutes past 5 p.m. In New York, 48 minutes past 12 p.m. A happy new year to you all. Thank you for your support, for watching our videos, for rating and for commenting. If you want more video, like our videos, comment about our videos, okay, and we will post more video. All right, let's get started. This video is about Forex, and we will look at the USD yen currency pair. We will discuss a few tips when we are talking about trading, okay, and how we can avoid trading mistakes. All right, okay. So the key point is Forex, okay, looking at, the crazy currency pair, the USD yen, which are named the crazy currency pair, all right. We are on the weekly chart, as you can see, if I color this one into red for you, all right. Pay attention carefully to what I'm doing here, because the reason why we do not post video very often is because we do not want traders to depend on us, but we want to show traders how to do it so they can do it themselves. TST traders can contact us at any time, ask questions, and then we will get back to them. That's what we prefer TST traders to do. Specific question about TST trading tool, what you do not understand, why you want to understand, and we get back to you, all right? So we on the weekly chart, you see the price was in a bearish channel, so we don't want to give priority to buy signal here. We will be looking for opportunity to sell in this session here. So the channel will allow us to position ourselves at the right place, at the right time, okay, to participate in the direction of the price, okay. Now this is about the channel, okay. The next thing that we want to do, we do not want to forget, okay, the media line of the channel. You see this red channel. This is the media line here. And sometimes, there are sometimes excellent opportunity on the edge of the media line. All right. So as a day trader, you know what to do if you are using TSTW24, third best time frame, entry time frame, first best time frame. The first best time frame will allow you to avoid doing something else that the price is not doing. All right. Check it carefully. Otherwise, you will see at the end of the day, myself, I've done that mistake in the past. At the end of the day, you look back, you can see clearly that the first best time frame was telling you exactly what to do. All right. So let's move on. So we see the price pop out of the bearish channel. I don't buy like this when it's popping out. But you can do that if you are day trader, which means you highlight the range of the weekly candle or whichever time frame you are on, okay, and switch to another time frame. But pop out, okay, you want it to come back and retest right here. If you receive a signal here, this is a good place to buy. If the signal fell, come out, all right, because sometimes you see here, it didn't go out straight away, it went horizontal, all right, it went horizontal, blah, 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 blah. Okay, if you are a swing trader, you may decide to hold your position. If you hide your stop loss somewhere below here, we can dip here. Okay, it's not straightforward. Okay, then it went up. All right. Price come out of a channel, ladies and gentlemen. What do? We will project the channel to the other side. This brings us here. See the size of this candle, the red channel. Project it. See right here. Bring us here. Now, I will be talking also a bit about angel wave. I have a reason for that. So it brings us here, this blue line here. So what I'll do now, I'll color that blue line into red also to demonstrate to you that all I've done is to project this channel to the other side. Because usually sometimes the price will change direction here. Let's zoom into it and see what the price did on the edge here. You can see some traders sold a bit on the edge here. These are day traders, smart day traders looking for some pips. 30 pips, 40 pips, very fast. If they receive a signal here, you see the tail, the wick for this candle here on the weekly chart. Okay, price came out of the second channel. What do? We project it again, bringing us here, and I want to color it again into red. Okay, so we are here. By the way, if you want to become a TST trader, remember that TST trading tool are not trading robots. You may give the TST tool to 2 traders, and you may end up having 2 different results, because a trader will learn a TST tool to make a decision. Now, according to our experience, a trader that understands the tool, a trader that, do things properly, which means the first 2 weeks, test it, bring chart in, ask questions. These traders very often perform better than traders that do not follow the steps. All right. Not all traders are the same. All right. So sometimes a trader may purchase TSTW trading tool and think that it's a robot. It's not a trading robot. All right. It's not a trading robot. And we do not sell a trading robot, okay? It's a trading system, a mechanical trading system that a trader will learn and put into use. The learning process is very, very important, okay? My apology to traders for this pop-up. So we see now, so all we are doing here is to show traders how to trade. That's all. And this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument, okay? So now we see it, because sometimes traders will watch a video. I've done it myself when I was a new trader, and I will place a trade because I take the video as a signal, but that's not how it works. The market is moving all the time, dynamics, news coming in. You see this Friday, the no-farm data. A lot of traders, I believe last Friday, get into trouble. Not because they can't trade. Some of them make maybe ordinary mistake, but some of them is just because they did not know that there was a very important news that Friday, and the market will take everything back. So you make money Monday to Thursday in the first week of each month. Come Friday, because you did not know that there was a very important news, the non-farm data, and you give everything back. It happens. It happened to me myself before, until I start going to that website, check the economic calendar consistently. So at least I'm not trading the news, I'm just acknowledging the news, but I am trading the price, okay? I think we can talk about this, all right? Right now, so here, so our third channel is this one, okay? So remember, a bit of blah, blah, blah from my side. Okay, so here we see this is the third channel now, okay? Now, as I say to you, traders tend to forget the media line, okay? So when you remember it, just draw it, okay? But I know that very often traders tend to forget the media line, okay? Get into the good habit. So the second channel ends up here, the third one here. Where we are now, ladies and gentlemen, we are just on the edge of the media line of the third channel. All I have said to traders is that I'm not interested at all to buy the USD yen at this stage. Why? It is bullish. This is all the time the problem. It is bullish. But I don't want to buy anywhere, anyhow. I'm waiting for a pullback. In fact, I always look for opportunity to sell when I see the price extended in the first wave. I like to sell during the second wave, because I know that the second wave is very, very important wave. Price move up. You see here? You see if you look on the media line of this bigger channel, the red one here, you see the media line. What the price did here, you see, it break out of the small channel. You see the red and the blue, this small channel here. It break out of it, okay, and we test it here, and then it ran away. I will be looking for opportunity to sell it and bring it down here. I want to participate in the first wave, in the first move, and also in the second move. When the price, what I'm saying, when the price break out of a channel and run away, I'm waiting for it to come back and retest it. There are some situations where it does not come back. I will not talk about that here. All right? Okay? You see here? So it went fast, and we want to sell. Same thing here again. You see this right here. It ran away. Okay. Now we want it to give us a kind of a pullback, either to the media line here or to another value support level. Do not forget there are resistance here. All right. Now you see now. So we have on the tool TSTW 24, TSTW 008. what I will say to TSTW24 traders, please, third best time frame, draw your lines. First best time frame, first best time frame, critical. All right, otherwise you're going to make a lot of wrong decisions. Critical. TSTWS008 traders. What I will say here to you, just a quick tips, okay? I'm not going to say anything more because these are confidential matter, but we can discuss it. Go to the weekly chart, okay? Draw support, resistance, trend line, channel, and then go back to the document of the TSTW S008 trading system. I'll repeat again, go to the weekly chart, draw support, resistance, trend line, channels. And then go back to the document of the TSTW S008 trading system. Now, the key point I want trader to remember, every trading system that we are building is based on valid support and valid resistance level, all right? So, if you're going to buy, you want to make sure that you are buying at a valid support level. I've said this before, and I'm saying it again. You want to make sure that this is a valid support level. So when I see a bullish cycle, when I receive a signal to buy, when I see a bullish pattern, I want to know, at least from the higher time frame, whether this is a valid support or a support level. If I want to sell, I want to verify that it's a valid resistance level. Like here right now, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the edge of this level. It's a resistance level. Now, is it a valid resistance level? Okay, put the line there. Put the line there. Just move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. You see? Right here. What the price did, this were, okay, let's draw a line if that makes sense to you, because I want you to understand it so you can do it yourself. All right, that's what I care about, okay? That you can do it yourself, okay? That's what I care about, okay? When you're doing that, I'm very happy, all right? Okay. Now, so this is the pink line now, you see. Price, this is a hotspot trading zone. Go to www.stochasticmarket.com and click on the page, hotspot trading zone, convergence signal, okay? And take it one step at a time. All right, so price, retest this level, change direction, retest this level, change direction, retest level, change direction. We are again now, you see, it's a convergent point because the pink line is crossing the blue line right here. It's not a bad place because the price did below that pink line and slowly but gradually went back to retest it. Now, at this point in time, some traders on Monday, they will place a trade to sell. You'll be surprised. They will place a trade to sell, and what will happen? Now, if you want to sell, you give yourself a warning and you say, all right, I will bail myself out if he crosses, okay, if he crosses the pink line. So you don't want to lose 100 pips, maybe 30 pips, maybe 40 pips, maybe 15 pips. So when he goes above the pink line, you may say to yourself, I had enough. All right, it's normal for trader to say I had enough. Walk away. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, walk away. Just say I had enough today. Wasn't a good day. It happens. Farmer will tell you some seasons are not good. So walk away. Price may break above the pink line, retest it, and go to this level. You may say, Joe, you told me to sell. I did not say that. I never say to a trader to sell or to buy. I say to trader, look for opportunity to buy, look for opportunity to sell. All right? Because the market is dynamic. No one knows what the price will do on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday. Last weekend, there was a problem with some traders. For your attention, please. I want to show you our second YouTube channel. If you do not know, we have a second YouTube channel, the 24 Elliott Waves. Here, I will be focusing only on the Elliott wave theory. 100% Elliott wave, nothing else. I will not discuss any other subject on this website because, as I show traders, our website www.24elliottwave.com is about Elliott wave. www.stochasticmarket.com is general trading. Anyone, new trader, experienced trader, smart traders, hedge fund can go to that website. Next step. Elliott wave theory is very important in the trader's life to move from the stochastic to the 24 Elliott wave. You want to understand the Elliott wave. Third step, www.dayprotrader.com, focusing on Fibonacci and core value trading and fundamental. Critical. As the trader matures, trader will spend more time at dayprotrader.com as he or she is trying to master how one can apply the trading triangle, the core value trading, and use the Fibonacci, the professional traders, instead of using the Fibonacci as a gambler. All right. So this is our second YouTube channel. This year, 2013, we will be posting more videos on this channel than the georgetrio channel where you are watching this video now. Okay. So be aware. So check those two channels. We will be posting at least 2 videos on our georgetrio YouTube channel, but we will be posting more videos, 2 videos per month on the georgetrio channel, at least 2 videos per month on georgetrio channels. On this website, 24 Angel Wave, we will be posting video frequently. All right, so you know where to find me and what is going on. If you are only subscriber to georgetrio, you may subscribe also at 24 Angel Wave. If you come here, you can click on this icon here to go directly to 24angelwave.com, and also the gorgeous one here, our hub pages here. It's right here. All right, to read a very important articles here written by myself. All right, so this is just a quick introduction to our second YouTube channel. Okay, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. So on that channel, our second channel, 24 Angel Wave, the previous weekend I posted a videos on our this channel, and I say to traders, the title of that video is Trade Elliott Wave Like God. Can you see here? Trade Elliott Wave Like God. That's a week ago. Trade Elliott Wave Like God. You may want to watch that video because I was talking about the crazy currency pair, the dollar-yen currency pair, Trade Elliott Wave Like God. All right? And I say to traders, we are in a 5th wave, and the 5th wave is extended. If you pay attention to my chart here, I didn't remove my drawing. The 5th wave was, I was telling you see here, this is the new week that has ended now, the week that has gone. But the week before last week, I was posting a video on that channel, and we were here. You can see my drawing here. First wave, 1, 2, 3. Third wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wave. So I was telling traders when we were here that we are in the 5th wave. A lot of traders have sold the USD yen. Like old-fashioned traders. It's a mistake. All right, it happens. How do you handle that? Whenever you are about to sell, like I'm doing today again, all right? Like I'm doing today again, that we are on the edge, you don't want to just sell. Place a line, okay? Draw the peak line, move it to where you are, say to yourself, this is my warning line. If it goes above that line, I want to bail out, come out first. Sometimes you may sell, price may take you out, it happens. You step out, you look again, you do other verification. Have I missed something? Have I done anything wrong? Okay, is it the news? Which day is it? Is it Monday? Is it Tuesday? Is it Wednesday? Is it Thursday? Is it Friday? All right. When is the crude oil inventory? Okay, the last 2 weeks, the crude oil inventory was on Friday. So the speculators were moving the market up to Thursday, and by Thursday, they are careful. That was happening the last 2 weeks. That's what we see. Next week, check when is the crude oil inventory. This news very important. First week of the month, no farm payroll. All right. So speculator will move the market up to the time of the crude oil news, and they will take profit. It's happening all the time. So, like now I'm doing this video, we don't want to just sell, okay? Because we don't want to lose. Sometimes the price may take you out, you come out. Okay, all right, what has happened? Okay. Nothing has changed. I'm not interested to sell. So, because I'm not interested to sell, if the price breaks above the peak line, I may decide not to buy. So, in fact, I will step out, okay, and just become a spectator. I don't want to buy, so I'm done. You may see the price going up, so you miss this opportunity. But because you don't want to buy, it doesn't make sense to you to buy. In fact, myself, I won't buy here. It may be going up. I'm not going to buy because I'm expecting, okay, the price to give me a pullback. I'm not going to buy here, even if it's cross yen. All right, the USD yen. All right, so The same thing you'll do if you watch any of our video. Don't just buy, don't just sell. Always you want to buy. Is here a resistance level? Is here a support level? Draw your line. If you're going to buy, know how far. If it goes below that the support level where you want to buy, nothing stopping you. How much stop loss are you putting in? How much money are you risking? Okay, check the risk-reward ratio. Check the day, check the clock, okay? So it comes with the experience. I may be talking for long like this, but some traders may find it useful, all right? Some traders may find it a bit, insulting that, who are you to tell me this? But the purpose of this video is for educational purposes. It's not to tell traders what to do, but it's just a guideline, so to speak. So this is where we are for the USD yen currency pair. We are in the first wave. The first wave has been extended into 5 sub-waves, but the 5th sub-wave of the first wave, it has been extended. No one knows how far the price will go, because as you can see the price rolling it up in the 5th wave. We were here. You can see that the market is desperate to retest many, price going up. What the price looking for? The price looking for a valid resistance level. So right here, if you pay attention to my horizontal line, where we did stop last week, where I told trader that we were at this level. This is a resistance level. Yeah, where my cursor is now. Price start moving up last week. Price looking for a better resistance. So we are watching every resistance level to know where the price is going. Where are we now? We are now on the median line of our projection. Okay, also we know that, the pink line, pay attention to it. This is a hotspot on its own. Doesn't mean that the price cannot cross it. The price can cross it. It can cross it. We are not in a business to tell traders buy, sell, like old-fashioned trader, because the market has changed. The market is changing all the time. There are news. This week we have seen that the Fed has said that, probably there will be no more quantitative easing. It's a very important news. A lot of bears that were selling the dollar yen for years has to close their position, because there was some news in the minute of the Fed that said that some members of the Federal Reserve were highlighting the fact that there won't be any more quantitative easing. So that's why there are some bears that will close their position. The USD yen was going up. The second thing, talking about fundamental politics in Japan. They want to sell the yen. They want to devalue the yen. So we know that sentiment is in the market. Long-term deep pocket investors are buying the dollar right now. But as a technical trader that is combining the fundamental and the technical, I want to buy, but I don't want to buy here. I will prefer the price to give me the healthy pullback. Or in other words, for the area wave trader to give me the second wave. We are now in the first wave. Some traders may say this is the third wave. It's not the third wave. We will expect, the second wave, which means price giving us what I call, a healthy pullback, You want to buy, you want the price to come down. Do not buy when the price is going up. But we see very often a lot of traders, we want it to pull back. If you can come here, it's not a bad place. But usually, let me mention this before I close this video. When the traders or market participants resist, the second wave, you will see that very often the second wave will cancel completely the first wave because of the distortion and the suppression of the second wave. Yes, the market knew that the dollar yen should go up. All right. Now, but there is something the market is doing all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's trending, but you will see sometimes trader will resist it. Very often, if the suppression of the second wave is very, very strong, I've seen it all the time, the second wave will cancel completely the first wave. I don't know why, but I've seen it many times. So do not be surprised if it's pulling back, this one failed to hold it, or another one here failed to hold it, or another one here failed to hold it, or another one here failed to hold it. All right? Sometimes, if you don't see that, if you don't see the 100% retracement, you may see what we call the complex second wave, which means you see A, B, C, or A, B, C, all right? Or A, B, C, D, E, which means a complex second wave. We will see what the price will do. We don't want to know what the price will do. We can estimate how far the price can go, what the price is likely to do, but we are not in a business, okay, to say to traders, buy here, sell here. Yes, the USD yen is bullish, but we will prefer it to pull it back first and turn around, giving us a clear-cut signal. If the signal has failed, we will come out. We are not proud, okay? We don't want to be arrogant traders. We want to be humble traders. If we made a mistake, we come out. Talking about wave count, sometimes trader will count waves is wrong. You count it is wrong. Yes, you made a mistake. All right, okay. As I told you, we counted here first fifth wave. Yes, the extension continuing. We are still in the fifth wave, so my fifth wave is still here. How far it will go? We can use Fibonacci projection, which means the retracement of the fourth wave right here. So we will check it, the retracement in relation to the third wave right here, and do our projection into the future. I do not use the Fibonacci extension like a magic levels. I look at the price shelf, the number one indicators. Okay? All right? I will show you one example before I close this video to show you a situation where traders were resisting, okay, were suppressing, okay, the second wave. Okay, just two examples very fast. On the weekly chart of Intel, at the beginning of the year 2012, I was telling traders that Intel is very, very bullish, if you remember. And I also telling traders that Microsoft is very, very, I was saying to traders Intel was very, very bullish, all right? And I was telling to traders that Microsoft was very, very bullish. This is in 2012. It's the line here, 2012. As the price was going up, myself, I was buying. But at one point, we were expecting the price to pull back. And I was telling traders, though Intel is bullish, Intel must give us a pullback. I was saying this, I was tweeting about it, I was posting on Facebook. Yes, Intel is bullish. Yes, Intel must give us at least a pullback, a kind of pullback. Look what's happened. The market extended the move because everybody knew that it was bullish. In fact, look what's happened. Total cancellation. This move from here to this level has been erased, so to speak. All right. Let me show you also Microsoft. Because the second wave is a very important wave. In fact, it's the friendliest wave. It gives us the opportunity to enter the third wave. It also allows those who are wrong, okay, to come out. So if you think that is bearish, you are selling the second wave. As the second wave is ending and changing direction, you want to come out before the third wave started. It's the friendliest wave, is also the healthiest wave. It's crucial. When I see the market resisting the second wave, in fact, personally, I get peace of. I mean, are we allowed to use that word on YouTube? Peace of? Okay, if not, forgive me for that, all right? But just to show you how I feel when I see traders resisting the second wave. Look, this is Microsoft. Beginning of the year 2012, vertical line, you see here. We were telling traders it's bullish, it's bullish. At one point, we start saying to traders on Twitter and Facebook, watch it. Though Microsoft is bullish, we are now expecting a pullback, a healthy pullback. Look what's happened. Market was resisting the pullback. It's pointless. Very often, these are crazy fundamental traders. They buy anywhere, they buy anytime. They buy on top of an ending diagonal triangle in the uptrend, only to see the price crash down. I mean, this is crazy. To be honest, this is crazy. Just be patient, all right? Okay? So you see now, same thing, total retracement. A, B, C. Cancel it. Look, all the way up here, bring it back to here. It shouldn't do that. Should turn around here to give a normal progression. You see, so now you understand why sometimes, okay? You may say to me, I'm saying too much okay. There's a comment about one of our videos that I say too much okay. All right, so it's good to say okay. Give me time to breathe in and to breathe out as I'm talking to traders. All right, but it's a fair comment. I say a lot of okay, but don't take it like I'm trying to be funny or not. All right. Okay, so this video, this is the end of this video. I hope you have found it useful and you will make excellent decisions as always. Click the like button. Some of you are watching it on your Android phone or on your smartphones. Sometimes you do not log in. You need to log in before you can like or dislike or comment. Okay, so please do that, and we will work together to make this 2013 a very happy new year. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.